Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Realme GT Neo 3T, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can extend the random access memory you have on this device. So to begin with, you need to launch settings. After that, enter the about device category, then open up the RAM page, turn on the RAM expansion switch, then choose for how many gigabytes you would like to expand your random access memory. You can either go with the value of 2, 3 or 5. I'll go with 5 myself. And in order for those changes to take effect, you will need to restart your device, that you can do by simultaneously holding the power and volume up keys. Then wait until the power off menu appears, tap on the restart. So let's just wait for the phone to get reloaded and we'll check whether the memory has been extended or not. Alrighty, so now let's quickly enter the phone specs and see how many RAM we have now. So great success. In addition to the default 8 gigabytes of hardware RAM, we've successfully added another 5 of virtual. Alright, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.